Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Apple Pay on Coinbase. To use Apple Pay on Coinbase, follow these 5 simple steps. Step 1. Ensure Apple Pay is set up. Make sure Apple Pay is set up on your iPhone. You need to have a supported card added to your Apple Wallet. Step 2. Open Coinbase. Open the Coinbase app and log into your account. Step 3. Navigate to payment methods. Tap the menu icon, the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner, and go to settings and then tap on payment methods. Step 4. Add Apple Pay. Tap on the add a payment method. Select Apple Pay from the list of options. You might need to first add a debit card to your Apple Wallet if you haven't already. Step 5. Make purchase. Go to the Trade tab or the specific cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Enter the amount you want to purchase and select Apple Pay as your payment method. Complete the purchase by verifying the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Now you should be able to use Apple Pay for transactions on Coinbase.